Yo, YouTube. Yeah, this is your guy Tag Lenses, and today I got something very simple, and it's a flyer, and this is just the information that I got from the person. And to be frank with you, I don't know what I'm about to do. Yeah, I just wanted to record it, and yeah, I just wanted to record it, but actually, I have no idea of what I'm going to do. All I know is um I've got something, just that information that I show you. Yeah, the name, the name of the person, yeah, the name and the telephone number, and it's a bag. Yeah, the person sells bag, a lady's bag, or let's say bags. Yeah, the person sells bags, and actually, I have no idea about what I am doing right now. Yeah, and as a designer, one thing you have to always make sure that you always use is the ruler. Don't forget to use a ruler in whatever you are doing. It helps you to get the perfect alignment for your works and everything that you're doing. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. Yeah, I'm Tag Lenses, and this is my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button for more updates. Yeah, I'm just creating some shapes and stuff, but as I told you earlier, I have no idea of what I am doing. Yeah, I'm just trying to create something, but I have no idea. So I'm just trying to improvise something to play around with the colors and with shapes and all stuff. Photoshop has a lot of shapes and stuff, and I hope you are following what I'm doing right now. Yeah, some pekasa bc. Well, move find chem na kasa ne de. Yeah, pekasa. Yeah. So I'm just creating some shapes and some stuff there. Yeah, and trying to make sure so maybe it's going to look good on some. Maybe it's going to look good. That's what I say. So oh, no. I don't like this. Don't like it. The colors are real mad. Yeah, I have to create some inner shapes within it. So I'm going to delete and left with only one. Yeah, so that I can create something in there. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah. Yeah, something like, yeah, I want something like this. Yeah, I want something like this. Yeah. Actually, I don't like the colors, but I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, as I said earlier, there may yet be beard who minimum there may have. See, I'm just trying to make sure it works. Yeah. Just trying to make sure that it works. Yeah. Yeah, so I will just skip it, like no skipping. I will just fast track it a bit. Yo, here, Krana. You know, okay, let me try to do something here, real quick. Yeah, with the fonts and stuff. Like, I want it to be like this, So I'll go to the Lily's bag and select it, Then I'll go to select, and I'll choose modify, then go to expand. Then I'll leave it here there. Yeah, you create a max on the avenue, and you press Ctrl plus I, yeah, to invent it, to get this effect, yeah, to get this such effect. You can try your own method to make that will work. You can go to the Lily's bag properties, and after the properties, then you can go to stroke and use a white stroke and do something real quick there. You leave the stroke at maybe 4 or 5. Yeah, it will also get you something like this. But when you change the background to different color, it won't work on the background. But for this one, it will definitely work on the background, the white background, when it changes. Okay, so you can try also your own method and see how it works. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. On this channel you always try to bring you something new, so if you don't want to miss out, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.